Or a da. So I'm in Wales just for a few days, and I'm in a little village called Capel and this is obviously a local pub. It's closed at the moment, so if it's open on my way back I might call in for a pint. Brom Pistol. Right next to pub, Brom Pistol. Right, Ibwythyn. Yeah, so I'm in Wales for a few days, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find this chambered cairn, and apparently it's just down the road here. It's probably about a mile, so maybe a 20-minute walk or so. So if you want to join me, I'll show you this ancient 5,000-year-old chambered cairn. I've seen quite a lot over the last couple of years, and this is one I've not been to before, so it's got to be this way anyway. Quite an interesting feature. Proper little quiet village this. I wonder if anybody lives here, or are they all just holiday lets? See what for sale there. Right. Well, this is the path now. It's not easy to get through these bloody things. Whew. Right, let's see. It's down here. Yes, I think it's just over here. That's a lovely day. A little bit misty up on the tops, but yeah, it's no wind, really peaceful, good for the heart and soul. Right, let's go and check this out. Can't wait, getting all excited. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. I like it. It was probably all covered at one point. Yeah. Massive stone, that. Absolutely massive. It must be at least 5 tons, maybe 10. I don't know. Right, let's get in. This is the only last remaining stone. Obviously it's a bit of reinforced concrete to make sure it doesn't collapse, but it has been here for 5,000 years. Look at this. Wow. Some chambers there, look. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Any offerings? You always find an offering or two. There's like little alcoves here. Can't see any offerings. I'll have to make an offering, won't I? I don't think it's visited that much, this. It's a bit off the beaten track, so. But yeah, incredible. Incredible. have it. Another Neolithic chambered cairn. Right, so I'm just heading back to that little village now. If that pub's open, I might have a pint. You know, so I did park in their car park. It didn't say you couldn't, so, you know. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm doing next. I might be heading into this little village, this little town, like a medieval town. Can't remember the name of it. It's one of those funny pronunciations. I should know, because my nan were Welsh, you know. Boradar. And I know a few swear words as well, but I can't tell you that. We get banned off YouTube, won't I? Right, somebody's made a bit of a path here. Right. Right, I don't know what the plan is. I was going to go to Tryfan and climb Tryfan today, but I might do it in the morning now. So, we'll see. That's what I like about doing these. It's all about spontaneity. Just go with the flow, see how you feel. No proper plans. Look at them over there though. I'm gonna head that way in a bit. You got Betty Coed over there, and I think it's Conwy Falls, which I've never been to. It's just down the road. I might have a look at there actually. I'm gonna have a look at them. So join me on the next who knows what it is adventure. Do you know? Maybe you. No? Me neither. Come on. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Robert Roberts. So I'll just head into the Conwy Falls. Never been here before. I've heard of the Swallow Falls at Betty Coed, but for some reason, not heard of the Conwy Falls. But anyway, we're going now. I can hear them. I think it's a bit slippy. You don't want to fall in. I reckon it's quite refreshing. Might get swept down there though. Right. Let's have a look, shall we? Why? Look at that. There. baby on her back. I wouldn't have done that. Bit dodgy. You slip, baby's a goner. So that was the Conwy Falls. Right, so now I'm in Llanrwst. Yep, a little Welsh town just on the edge of the Snowdonia National Park. So I've decided I'm going to sleep here tonight. I'm going to stay here. It's a lovely little town. I have been through it before. I've never really had a proper look round, so might go and check out a couple of pubs, get something to eat, you know. And then I'm going to bed down in my van here tonight. So, and then in the morning, I don't know, I'll think about it tonight, and I might go towards Snowdon, maybe do Trivan or something like that. I don't know. Trivan keeps entering my mind, so who knows. I'll have to sleep on it. And a couple of pints in these pubs up here. Right, come on, take you. You come in. I think we'll have one in here. Penny Bryn.
Norman Conwy, 4.3 million, 2,584 stores.
Right, I'm just settling down now. I'm in a can of beer, usual. Although I did have a pint in the pub up there. Proper local pub. I tell you what, we're busy for a Wednesday night. Could live here, me, actually. It's pretty good. Right on the edge of Snowdonia. And yeah, I don't know, the people are really friendly. Seems vibrant. Property prices seem quite reasonable. So yeah, maybe I'll move here. Who knows? Anyway. Cheers. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, it's a lovely little town, this. Right, I could live here.